equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your Asus FX607JV and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you find inside using the microfiber cloth. This not only helps with the overall performance but also ensures that your new LCD cover fits snugly. Now, locate the LCD assembly. You'll need to remove the screws securing the LCD to the hinges. These screws are usually located on the sides of the LCD. Once you've removed them, gently lift the LCD away from the base. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, take your new LCD cover and align it with the LCD assembly. Make sure it fits properly before securing it with the screws you previously removed. It's crucial to ensure that everything is aligned correctly to avoid any issues later on. After securing the LCD cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is tightly secured. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Our service is designed for your convenience, with no calls and no travel required. Finally, power on your Asus FX607JV to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you get your laptop back in top shape without any hassle. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Asus FX607JV. Enjoy your refreshed laptop and the clarity of your new screen. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.